Is owning an EV really cheaper than a gas car? In 2025, the numbers might surprise you. Today, we'll break down the real costs, from buying to fueling, maintaining, and even reselling, so you can see which car really saves your wallet. Let's start with the sticker price. In 2025, gas cars are still cheaper up front, averaging around $30,000, while EVs often come in closer to $40,000. But remember, upfront cost isn't the full story. Now, fuel versus electricity. Gas prices keep climbing, while charging an EV at home averages under $15 for a full charge. That's massive savings per mile over time. Maintenance is another big difference. EVs don't need oil changes, spark plugs, or exhaust repairs. Fewer moving parts mean fewer headaches and lower bills. Meanwhile, gas cars keep demanding regular upkeep. But let's not ignore the elephant in the room: battery replacement. In 2025, costs are lower, about $8,000 compared to $12,000 years ago, but still a major hit if needed. The good news? Most EV batteries are lasting longer than expected. Resale values are shifting fast. EVs are holding their value better as demand rises, while some gas cars are struggling to keep up. The future market clearly favors EVs. When you put it all together, purchase, fuel, maintenance, and resale, EVs often come out thousands ahead in the long run. The real cost isn't just what you pay today, but what you save tomorrow. So, would you switch to an EV after hearing this breakdown? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more car comparisons and future automotive insights.